let's see how does the room heater works in depth with the working principle. So let's get into the video. Let us see how does the electronic room heater works. Let's go. First, initially there are over 10 nets I will remove and then come to the video. I have been getting scolding due to doing this in my home, so please do support me through this YouTube. And finally removing the 8th net. Then we will go inside. Let's dismantle the electric heater slowly. Slowly dismantle this. See? And please do carefully give support, otherwise the wires will be getting. Basically, the electricity enters positive and then neutral, positive, neutral, and then negative. So the neutral wire will say from earth, then the positive and then negative supplied, and then in back side there will be a quartz bulb which will be supplying heat over the electric heater. We will go in depth. Let's go. Then we are going with the removal of nets. Then now I have been removed with the nuts. Let's go inside in depth. Then we have to remove this, and then from the switches, and then from the positive, negative, and the stopper switch. That's it. Let's go. First I have been removed with the initial wirings, and then with the dome which have been protecting the high heat. Then we have mostly removed every wires and connections. Some connections are left over, so we will be going in depth with the removing of dome. So then remove with this wire, and then we are removing the dome. See, very carefully because the bulb will be getting damaged sometimes. Connections removed, only the quartz bulb inside will be there. So the positive wire, this side the negative wire will be connected, and then both will be supplying the electricity to the quartz bulb. See, positive and the negative wire will be connected both sides. Here positive, both will be connected by this wire, and then there negative will be connected, and then neutral will be connected at the center for no earth shocks. So this quartz bulb will be getting heated while passing the current, so we are getting the heat by this formula. That's it. Heat is passed through the quartz bulb. It is very high heating filament lamp, so we are getting heat. So again we will be replacing it back. That's it. You will think, why is this doom important? Because it will prevent from the plastic getting melted due to high heat passed. So they have given this doom. That's it. Thank you friends, see you on the next video.